What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing General Chungus from the Minecraft movie. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw on the snout. We'll start at the very top with a curve, from left to right, going up and then down. Now let's round out the side of the snout, going around and then in towards the bottom. And we'll curve the bottom of the snout, coming down the middle and then back up. Now on either side, we're going to draw two ovals for the nostrils. Line that up on the right. And I'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Now from the bottom corners of the snout, we're going to curve the mouth, going up and then down. And I'll add those two tusks, starting back from the inside, bend this out and up along the side. Bend this down and then in towards the mouth. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve. We'll lower that, going up and then down. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the inside of the brow. Starting from the top corner of the snout, bend this up and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Step in, draw another curve. Let's go back to the outside, draw the eye, going up and then out. We're going to step in, draw the bottom of the eye, coming down and then in. Now just up above the brow, we'll draw a straight line from left to right, going across for the helmet. Let's come down the side. And add a fold underneath the eyes with a curve. Let's flatten off the bottom of the helmet, going out toward the side. Now from here, I just want to bend this out and then up towards the top. From here, bend this up and then in. Come up towards the same height on the right side. And then from here, draw a straight line coming all the way down. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight line going across the middle. And then from these 2 points, step down, draw another line. And we'll add a spike in the center of the helmet. Now along the side of the helmet, we're going to draw the ears. Let's bend this down and out. Round out the ear, come in and then up underneath the bottom of the helmet. Now underneath the ears, we're going to draw the cheeks. We're going to come around the corner of the mouth and then bend that in. Now we're going to layer the chin on top. So we step up, come across the middle, and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to add those thick chains across the neck. From the side of the chin, draw two straight lines coming down. And then we'll flatten off the bottom. Let's add a small rectangle in the center. Let's add that small detail coming down and in. And we'll flatten this off. Now I'm going to go back up to the top, draw two straight angled lines coming down and out. Go all the way up and then out. Let's pull this back in behind the cheeks. Now in between, we'll draw a straight angled line. And then we'll draw on the side of the body. Let's start from this point, bend the body going out and then down towards the hips. Let's close off the hip with a curve. Now in between the chain and the hip, we're going to draw a curve going up and then down for the bottom edge of the chest. Let's add that skull in the center. On the left side, bend this down and in. And then we'll round out the bottom. Now we're going to add some teeth across the bottom. Starting on the left, we're going to draw these little curves, almost like a half circle going across. Let's add the eyes of the skull with a small rectangle on either side. And we'll fill the eyes in black. And then in the center, draw a small triangle for the nose and then fill that in black. Let's go back to the hips. We're going to round this out, come back in across the belt, and then bend this down and then in. Let's split this in half with another curve. Now I'm going to add that cloth coming down the center. Starting on left, bend this down and out. And I just want to tear up the bottom with these curves going across. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, I'm going to draw the inside of the left leg going out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And they'll curve the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's go back up to the hips, bend the leg going out and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's add the toes across the bottom, starting on the outside, curve this up and then down. Leave a gap and draw that again. It's like a half oval. And then across the center leg, we're going to draw a curve for the kneecaps. Now, let's go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, then it's out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then bend this up and then in towards the wrist. Let's add 2 large fingers across the bottom. Starting underneath the thumb, we're going to come down, and bend that up, step down, draw the outside finger going out. I'm just going to bend the arm going up and then in behind the cheeks. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, and then the second going all the way around, and then in behind the cheek. Let's separate the top of each finger with a curve, coming down and in towards the center, and then in towards the thumb. From the top of the thumb, we're going to add a curve going out and then up. Now let's repeat that. We're going to draw a couple more above the wrist. From the outside, we're going to curve this down and in towards the thumb. And then along the top of the arm, we're going to add one more strap. Start with a curve along the top. Step down, draw that again. Now let's repeat that over on the right side. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw General Chungus from the Minecraft movie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.